Hey, and welcome back. In the last video, I introduced to you that I had some plans and goals for this year, including the 2024 miles this year, 3 10Ks, and the Savage Race, which I'll be doing later this year. But as I'll be doing this 2024 miles for the duration of the whole year, I'd like to introduce you to the things that come in the package if you decide to get the kitchen sink, which is what I ordered. And if you would like to, you could possibly join my team and help me collect some of those miles, because it is a lot of miles. Let's take a look. This is called the Run the Year Challenge or Run the Edge. You can go to www.runtheedge.com and you'll be able to see everything that I'm about to show you. Now, what makes this challenge stand out? Well, besides the satisfaction of running 2024 miles in 2024, you get an incredible kitchen sink order of goodies. Or you can get different versions with different combinations, depending on your budget. First up, you'll receive exclusive access to the mileage tracker, keeping you on top of your game throughout the year. If 2024 miles seems like way too much, you can adjust it in 500-mile increments. Plus, you get a generous $80 in-store credit. So go ahead and treat yourself to some awesome running gear. First up on our list of things that you get is the interactive medal. As you run, you're able to transition the different parts of the medal to indicate how many miles you've gone. That includes some stickers, so 100, 200, 800, all the way until you get 2024 miles. You also get a coin. This coin indicates which year you have participated in up to 10 years, because they have a 10-year anniversary. It's a pretty cool coin to have, just to show something that you get. You also get a keychain. Looks similar to the medal. You get an I'm in race banner, stick to your shirt, your pants, whatever. You also get 24 different race bibs, each indicating the mile markers that you have completed in 100-mile increments. You also get a color by a mile poster, where you color in a section or a number based on the amount of miles that you have completed. I have not yet colored in any of my miles so far. Finally, you get 2 shirts. One of them is an active dry fit shirt, run the year 2024, and you get this tech hoodie, which has now become my favorite hoodie. There's nothing on the back, to help you run through the rest of the year. If this video has helped you out in any kind of way and you like what you're seeing, please be sure to subscribe and like. Also, if there are any runners out there and you have any advice or tips to help me get through these 2024 miles, please leave them in the comments down below. And if you decide you want to join me on my journey or just keep up with me, let me know. I'll post a link on the next video. That way you can check up on my miles, or if you want, you can join my team. Until next time.